Our relationship with KTA started in the late 80s. We had our original farm up in Curtistown and we grew Cavendish, and my dad saw something in the apple banana variety and he slowly started propagating it. When we developed the Mountain Apple program with KTA, it just felt like a really good fit. You know, they're one of the best stores. They're the only real local store in Hilo, and for us to have a product that has their label on it gives us great satisfaction knowing that not only does the store we support the community, but the store that supports us helps us support the community as well. One of our heart behind what we do has always been community. We started with a small farm to try to impact the community, revitalize agriculture, do something a little bit different than is normally being done. I guess agriculture isn't something that you wake up in the morning and say, hey, let's be farmers. I realized how important it was to me as a father, as well as being a son and having a family business, that it was more important for me to take up the mantle, if you will, and follow in my dad's footsteps to do something that has more meaning than just a paycheck, something that will basically help to sustain my family and generations to come if done right. Sustainability is very important, and it's something that I think us as a people in Hawaii also need to understand, that if we don't take that seriously with the current climate changes and the weather patterns and what we have going on, eventually we're going to run into a situation where unless you're willing to go outside and plant all your own food, you're going to be bringing in or purchasing imported fruit.